handbags and things here. Many different ones inside there. Hello, how are you? I'm the Bali love. Whee! Many different ones available in there. So a good price if you're looking for a fixed price. It's absolutely loaded with customers now at Fat Chow. Bags and things here. And nice stuff in here. All the football screen TVs on in there. There's a few people in the back there. Ferrari hat, motorsport, McLaren. This is actually where I'm staying this evening. Or attached to it, the ladies, how are you? Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 7 p.m. I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along Poppies Lane too. So my reason for being here in the Kuta area this evening is I'm actually staying at the Grand Barong Resort, which is going to be featured in a video for those of you that want to check that place and be located right here in the centre of Kuta. In tonight's video, I'm going to actually walk along the street of Poppies Lane too. This was once one of the most famous streets here in the Kuta area. My starting point is going to be from Legian, Jalan Raya Legian, and I'm going to walk all the way through to Jalan Pantai Kuta and Kuta Beach area. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options, I think some of which I have featured in videos, so I'll add the link in the description for those ones that I have featured. I'm going to take in all the restaurants, sports bars. There's lots of tourist goods shopping along this street. I'll just give you a general idea what you can expect from this very popular street here in the Kuta area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so here's a start point for tonight's video. Directly in front of the camera is the Bali Bomb Memorial site. This is the street of Jalan Raya Legian, Guardian Pharmacy, Ground Zero. Have a Vera here. We're going to be heading down Poppies Lane 2 in tonight's video. There's one of the beer cyclists coming along the street now. So just up there is a Sky Garden, but not the Sky Garden it once was, and this is Poppies Lane 2. Very narrow alleyway here at Poppies Lane 2. We're coming to our first collection of shops and things here. Car and motorbike rental there. Some of the shops and businesses are closed here. Ooh, almost slipped off the path there. The mini mart here. We have the Bagus bar. This is closed because of the Galungan and Cunningham Balinese holidays. Galungan is on the door there. We're going to continue heading. We have a hello, a massage spa there. Ooh. A Crown Day spa here. We have many spas here in Bali. Crown Day Spa. Holistic Ink, that's also closed. Some of the sports shirts and things in there, hats, caps. Fixed price shop on the handbags and things here. Many different ones inside there. 100% fixed price it says there. Sells all the training shoes as well in there. Tommy shop. Lots of shoes, sandals. Continuing on down the street. Some more tourist goods shops here. Handbags, hats, bags. More bag shops here. Very quiet. There's a money changer here. There's the exchange rates on the board today. Don't ask me about these ones in this area, I'm not too sure. But lots of the shops selling very similar goods. Oh, some nice hats and caps in here. Oh, Harley Davidson riders. Very nice. Just continue walking. All of the handbags and things here. inside there. Bali Daily Spa. Ink Revolution here. Tattoo studio of the massage spa here. Hello, good evening ladies, how are you? What's the name? This one. It's a wild spa. Have the Kuta Beach in here. Not sure whether that's the actual entrance or whether that's just car parking. Have W Ink Tattoo Studio here. Just cutting across back on the other side now. All shops selling very, very similar things here. More of their hats and caps. Some nice stuff in here. Someone wheeling the suitcase down. Some Pizza Hut, McDonald's sandals there. We have the curry restaurant here. Curry restaurant. That lady's just actually gone inside there. We have the horse and cart running down this Poppies Lane too. Another one here. Wow. I'm not going to go inside, but you can just see from here inside the curry restaurant, all the people in the back there. Small shops selling all similar things here, lots of tourist goods shops. The sports shirts here. The tattoo studio. Poppies Kitchen Bar. A few people in there. Hello, good evening ladies, how are you? Amy Beauty Salon and Spa, that one. Show what we have there. Some of the training shoes and things here. Quite a few of these businesses are actually closed. I think it's because of the Galung and Cunningham. This one's got a big collection of the sports shirts. All the prices actually are on these, 100. And then inside there, 100. Have the kids size as well, 100. 150 for these ones on this side. And then any different ones available in there. So a good price if you're looking for a fixed price. Here's a price on the bag, 200. 200. The shorts, 100. 100. I know many of you like fixed price. We have Susie Q Salon, nobody there. We have Sports Spa here. Nobody actually really there neither. Not too much going on there. Have the Royal Jack here. This is actually where I'm staying this evening. Or attached to it, the Rambarong Crown Ink Tattoo Studio here. I'll just turn around in a moment and show you the Rambarong. So this is the Rambarong Resort. This is where I'm staying. Just turn it around here. We have a Circle K convenience store. This is the street of Jalan Benasari. Fabulous restaurant down there, the Crumb and Coaster. Circle K. Lots of shops selling all the same sort of things here. Some more bags and things here. Christian Dior, lots of the bags. Hello, good evening ladies, how are you? You have the Bali love? Just continuing on down the street here. Oops. Almost fell over then. Have the Palm Garden Hotel Kuta here. It's just in the back there. Many shops selling very similar goods. This one looks quite interesting here. A funky woman there. Some nice stuff in here. Ladies sandals, some nice home decor as well. Bags I see. Lots of stuff inside there. Wind dream catchers, sorry. Ferrari hat, motorsport, McLaren. Well, Red Bull, some nice caps in there. We have the Turtle Restaurant and Sports Bar here. All the football screen TVs on in there. There's a few people in the back there. A few people at the front. A Circle K convenience store just to the left here. We have Carla Spa here. The most famous spa in Bali, yeah? Carla Spa. Hello, how are you? Have the Bali love. Whee! Bali love. There's quite a few customers actually inside there, I see. So you have lots of shops selling all very similar goods. Sports shirts, hats, bags, everything inside of there. Sandals. Very, very nice. Inside there we have Safaris Inn, just up there. No shops there. How are you, brother? Good, good. So lots of fixed price shops here, it says. And, running shoes, kids' shoes as well. Very nice looking stuff there. A few little things up the side and the back there closed. All tourist goods shops here, fixed price again. Mini mart here. Lots of the trainers, running shoes, handbags, you name it, you'll find it all here on Poppies Lane too. Coming into a little bit of darkness now. So this is Poppies Cottages too. Main entrance just through there. Very, very dark. Very quiet on the streets here. Tourist goods. Lots more tourist goods shops again here. All these shops that have already passed, they all sell very, very similar items.
Hey, man. Come here.
Some of the handbags and things in here. Handbags, ladies' clothes, ladies' dresses. Available in there, t-shirts, bags. And this is all closed down. That's not just closed, that's closed down. Lucky Bali Spa 3. I think these have about 8 or 9 spas. Lucky Bali Spa. A few customers just inside there. Just wait for this guy to get out of the way. Okay, continuing on. So pretty much more of the same thing here. Hello, how are you, madam? Hello, how are you? Very, very quiet here. Lots closed down on this street on the opposite side. Let's just take you and show you. So you have lots of handbags, bracelets, hats, caps, jewellery. Some jewellery as well here. Sunglasses, ladies' dresses, some ladies' clothes in this one. We have Labubu here, very popular Labubu. Some belts, some wallets, very, very nice. We'll have quite a few tourists actually coming on the street here. This is Beach Walk shopping mall just over on the other side. Let's just see a good flow of tourists coming through here. There's Beach Walk shopping mall, one of the entrances off Poppies Lane too. All the shops sell very, very similar things here. Okay, so just at the end of that section of Poppies Lane 2, and now on the section that's going to lead us to Kuta Beach. And more of the same again along here. Quite a few of them are closed because of the Gulungan and Cunningham. All selling the handbags, tourist goods stuff, all things of that nature. Graffiti and everything on the wall here. Wow.
Hi, boss.
Hello, how are you?
Big boss.
Another horse and cart coming along here. Okay, so we've just come round the corner there, a collection of shops. We have the Puri Beach Inn here, Bali Sandy Resort. And both up that little alleyway there. We have the Kuta Hotel here. A little bit in darkness. There's a restaurant attached to it here. There's a Kuta. I can't go in there because there's a lady eating, but we'll just show you along the side here. Very nice. It's the entrance to the hotel. And the horse and cart. So it's the Kuta Hotel. And just next door to the Kuta Hotel we have Fat Chow. Wow. It's absolutely loaded with customers now at Fat Chow. There's Fat Chow. It is inside now, very, very busy. I've just eaten here this evening. It wasn't quite as busy as this. If you want busy, come after 7 o'clock. All the artwork on the wall here. Dory Ink tattoo studio here. Oh, the horse and cart. And then we have Satria Cottages here. So I've featured this in a video, so I'll have the link in the description for you. Nice authentic Balinese accommodation. There's its own little restaurant we're rung up there as well. Collection of some massage and spa. Some tourist goods shops again in the back here. Many of these places are going to be closed now along this final stretch. It's a little bit later in the evening. Sports shirts, sunglasses, and then we have a collection on this side. Some watches here. Any of you that might be interested in the watches. Not sure whether these are any good or not. Similar stuff again as the other shops, and then many of them are already closed along here now. Okay, so many of them are already closed. I don't think it's because of the Gulungan, I think it's just too late in the evening. Closed quite early here. Some of them may be closed because of the Gulungan and Cunningham. But most of these were open earlier in the day because I've already walked past here. Shops on both sides here. And here we are now, we're at Jalan Pantai Kuta. And Kuta Beach is directly across the street there. It's Kuta Beach. The slushy place here. Quite busy here at the slushy place. That's Pantai Kuta. Very busy street.